Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT more useful to your work. So if you are just using ChatGPT for basic conversation or just know the what you want to in the ChatGPT here, I'm going to show you some extension add in the ChatGPT to make it more super useful. So as you know that limited knowledge of all ChatGPT which cannot know events after 2021. So I have a question here, who won the FIFA World Cup in 2022? So if I press enter here, as you can see, it says that I'm sorry, but as AI language model, I do not have the information. So as you can see, it doesn't have the information after 2021. So to get the knowledge of the 2021, you have to give access to the ChatGPT here of 2000 after 2022. So there's a extension called Web ChatGPT. So ChatGPT with internet access here. So we just have to go to the Chrome web store here and just click on the add to Chrome here, and this will add it to your Chrome here. So just click on add to Chrome here, click add extension, and if I come back to the ChatGPT here, as you can see there's an option called web access. So if I just turn it off, the web access is turned off now, so you have to turn on the web access here. And also you can see how many results you want to see, like 3 results, 4 results. So I'm going to choose 3 results here, and you can choose all that anytime, past day or 6 months or a year, or you can also choose any region from here. So ChatGPT just got the internet access from all over the internet here. So if I now say who won the FIFA World Cup here, and if I press enter here, as you can see, it's give me some link here. It's give me 3 link here. So you can also change the how many links you want. So as you can see, using the provide the web search results, write a comprehensive reply to the given query. And also as you can see, it giving me the answer here. Argentina won the FIFA World Cup 2022 in Qatar after playing 64 matches. So as you can see, also saying that it lose the first game or 2-1 in Saudi Arabia. So yeah, you can add this ChatGPT web internet access, and you can also know the knowledge of after 2021, because we are living in the now. We can use this ChatGPT to give the internet access here. So this is a fine extension you can use in the ChatGPT here to make it more useful for your work here. Now here's another extension for your ChatGPT, is the called YouTube summary with ChatGPT. So if you're watching YouTube, or if you're a content maker or anything work with the YouTube here, you can add this YouTube summary with ChatGPT here and use ChatGPT to summarize your YouTube video. So YouTube summary with ChatGPT is a free Chrome extension that lets you quickly access the summary of the YouTube videos you're watching with OpenAI chatbot. So let's just click on add to Chrome here, add extension, and just click on install on Chrome here. You don't need to sign up here. And if I just go back to the YouTube and refresh it and open a video here, as you can see there's a option called transcript and summary. So if I click this option here, as you can see it summarizes all the video here and also the transcription of the video here. So if I click on the ChatGPT option here, view AI summary, so click on it, and this will go back to the ChatGPT here. And as you can see, it's all the transcription of the video is here, and it will summarize the video for me. And as you can see, ChatGPT is starting to summarize the full video that I have watching here in the YouTube. And if I go back to the ChatGPT here, so if you're just watching a YouTube video in the YouTube here, and if you want to know the summarized version of this video here, you can just click on the settings here, and it will summarize the whole video of the YouTube that you're watching right now. So this is another useful tool that you can use for ChatGPT here in the Chrome. And there's another extension that you can use for ChatGPT, which is for Google here. So to bring the Google to the ChatGPT, you bring ChatGPT in the Google here. So if you just click on add to Chrome here, click add extension, and as you can see, display ChatGPT response alongside search engine's result here. And this will say some settings here, so you can just click always here, and I want the dark mode here, so just click dark here, and language is auto, and just click save here. And if I go back to the Google here and search for something here, so if I search how to cook chicken, so I search for how to cook chicken here in the Google here, as you can see there is a waiting for ChatGPT response here. So ChatGPT also creating me a response here about their information here. As you can see, it's also writing me the recipe for the chicken that I have pasted on the Google here. So with this extension, you can also use the Chat GPT in Google here. So this is a useful thing. So if you just search for anything here, this will also give the Chat GPT information here. So we can just write it or copy or paste it, or you can use this information in the Google here. So that's it, guys. This is some useful tool for Chat GPT here. So if you found this video helpful, and if you want to know about the new AI tech tools or updated things, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.